Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Misty with a unique treasure. And, I got to tell you, you only see here down because I'm usually in here painting all day and, not having to leave my house till I go to a job or be accountable to anybody like that. I pretty much stay casual. I don't put on makeup hardly anymore. And my hair is just growing long, and so I have to keep it up in some gray ponytail thingy kebab. And I just like popping on here, and you just see my space. I have kits and dolls everywhere. All this is usually filled. I have lots of dolls going, and I am meeting new people in this industry and getting some help with my painting because I want to move to the next level. And I just love it. I love, 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 love this beautiful reborn experience. So I am kit crazy though. People call it baby fever. People call it kit addictions. I mean, I cannot stop buying kits. And I got to tell you that um, I get up in the night and I just can't help myself. I'm, going to McPherson's and going to Trueborns. And, if it's a sale, oh my goodness, I don't want to miss the sale. And, I'm waiting for some of these pay laters to say, not today, Satan, but it's not. It's saying, sure, go ahead. My husband's wondering probably when are these pay laters going to end? But yeah, no, everything's good. I'm not in any kind of financial trouble, but I do know I'm like realizing that I can't stop buying kits because you go on there and these prototype artists make these babies look so real. And I have 6 kids, people of my own, like my own 6 kids. And then I have all these grandkids, but I don't get to see them because they're all like in the different states because they're married to military and stuff like that. So I don't know. I just love babies. And when I see these babies done, I just got to have it, right? And then I get these boxes and I'm so grateful. Don't get me wrong. I'm super grateful. But they also don't come looking like that. Okay. I don't get the baby in the box. I get a kit in the box. So I am working on upping my A game in painting. I don't have a problem selling my kits, but I just want to get better and better and better. So I got a kit in. I opened up these boxes just so that I can not have to do it on camera. And I'm going to pull out this COA and show them in a minute. But it comes with the body. And I've ordered so many, so I don't even know what's coming anymore. Um, so it's a nice surprise, even though that little sticker just told me whose body this goes to. And then, so I am very excited. I've been wanting this kit, and I just decided why not. I took a ethnic painting class, and this kit will be painted a beautiful light skin tone, or a little bit darker, biracial skin tone, or a little bit darker maybe. You've seen this kit done, and I don't know if you guys can tell by the limbs who this is, even though I think I'm learning still about these sites. And look at that hand. That's cool. It's a little shiny though, and a little hard. Uh, I almost said plastic, guys. That's what it reminds me of. Um, Hard vinyl, very hard vinyl. So I don't think I've painted on this kind of vinyl yet. So there's that, and I've got to watch that because I do like the soft vinyl, and I root my own babies, so that's gonna be not a problem if I have that heat lamp. And then here is I always like looking at the creases and stuff. Some very deep creases there. And here's a foot. So let me move my paint here. Oh, can you guys see that? Let me see. Let me slow down a little bit more. Here we go. Don't mind my paint, guys. It looks a mess, don't it? Now you can really see it good. I'm gonna move it over here. I used to do videos like junk journaling videos, and all my desk was pretty and all this stuff. Now I'm like all paint. I'm a paint junkie now. Okay, so here's the feet and hands on that side. And here is this one. Let's get this foot out. And here's this one. And here we go. Now we need a head. So this hand is open, which is nice. This hand is closed, but it's not mashed together fingers. They're separated, not meaning in between, but you can see they're not smashed down into like that first one is. That index finger is a little down into the hand, but the other ones are raised, which I like that. And so here we go on this. Put it right there like that, maybe. If I'm going to fool with this and make this video long. Okay. And then we have the head. Let me get it out of this bag. I don't want to ruin the bag because it's marked, and I like that when they're marked because I end up going, oh my gosh, what's this JD number? Even though this face is very recognizable. So here is the face. Who is this, guys? Who is this? Let's bring this a little back. Here we go. Who is that? That's Jalen. Yay! I love this, the prototype artist, the way they did this. I'm going to get this paint away from this kit. Ooh. Okay. Here is the kit together. And I am super excited about this kit, but I have so many going right now. This is going to be a while until I get to this one. Let me pause you real quick and go get my Sarah that I'm working on. Okay, so I learned about the Heads Up Cuddle Head apartment on McPherson and went crazy. But this is Sarah. I'm working on Sarah. She's going to be biracial. And um, and I'm also working on Winnie. And I just love doing ethnic babies now. I mean, it's just amazing. I love this color. I just think they're beautiful. And this one here might be Middle Eastern. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm working on little Miss Brooklyn too. She's a little washed out because she's got a lot of color actually. But all these are more color than what you see. This baby here is a light biracial, not super super light, but light biracial. This baby here is actually darker and a little bit more red, and like the Middle Eastern descent. Um, but yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm also working on Quimby. Hey, Quimby. And of course, she has a lot more color to her. I'm gonna turn this out and see if we get some more of the color coming back on these babies. But I lost my COAs, not lost them, misplaced them here because we moved into this house and we had, a ridiculous almost 3,000 square foot house now shoved into a 1,600 square foot house. And there's, my husband and I and my mother, we all moved in together in this very small house. And so we still have lots of stuff and storages, trying to get rid of this stuff and whatever. It's just a lot. So I misplaced my COAs and I found that. And I'm so grateful because I had to put her away and I brought her back out and I've been working on her because she had, already had like 3 days on her, working on her when I realized I didn't have the COAs. And now I have all my COAs again. I mean, guys, there's like almost 100 in there. I thought there was 70 something. So yeah, I'm really super grateful for this. And I'm working on Pickles, but he's not in here. Oh, I do have another kit. Let's look at that kit. Let's put these guys over here. And this one has got to get logged into inventory. So I'm going to put the bag and limbs and separate for these. Where is the box? Right here. And then I had his COA right here. Let's look at that real quick. This is the COA. Look at that beautiful baby. Oh my goodness. I have my gloves on. And you guys have got to see my Christmas nails, even though I am white as a ghost. Look at my Christmas nails. Aren't they so pretty? And look, she free-handed that. Isn't that insane? Look at that. How it wants to, there you go. It goes in and out, I guess. But anyways, this is, I'm gonna come out of here. I'm not keeping it in this raggedy old bag that it came in. Um, this is from Pidgeot's Playpen, and I just think this baby is gorgeous. I didn't even look at that. It's 348 out of 800. I just think this baby's gorgeous. I love that hair, and I can do that hair. I did that hair on Johanna. And actually, before I end this video, I'm going to go get her because I want to share her with you. Here is sweet Johanna. Now, for some reason, pictures, stuff makes her look like she's bald and she's not. Her hair, I rooted it to go this way because even though I curled it, like, when I rooted it, it was straight, and then you add water and it curls up really cute. And it's fun to play with. You can separate her curls. You can make her hair go back this way, even though I had it rooted to the side, it will go the other way. Um, this is Bedhead. I did not stop to fix her. She does have a swirl going on back here. It's just hard to see with that curly hair. This is Susan Nagel's hair, and it's so soft and beautiful. My gosh, it is just gorgeous. And all this curls. She's just been laying on her head. And I put a body on her. This was supposed to be my competition baby. I put a cuddle body on her because she's washed out with this light. Let me see if I can change this light. Give me 1 second. I want you guys to see her better. And her coloring is just gorgeous. So, okay, so I put a cuddle body on her because I was doing her limbs and her creases. I was not okay with her creases, and therefore I had to drop the competition because her creases just weren't good enough for me. So I had 3 kits, and I took her other limbs and I did the creases the same, and they're catching. There was like a little nicks or something in the crease. It felt like, I don't know what it was. All I know was they wouldn't blend how I like to blend them. So I said, you know what? I'm just not going to fool with it. And I put this cuddle body on her, and I am working on redoing her limbs and color matching. But she's not up for sale right now, but she is for sale. I'm just afraid to put her up because for one, she smells so darn good. I have one of those wafers on in her diaper. But I took her to the show with me, the Yofi Doll show, and people wanted to buy her right out of my arms. So I am, hesitant. She's just absolutely gorgeous. She's rooted, her eyelashes are rooted too. I can't get it to focus in on that right now. This is her brand new little Carter's outfit. She weighs 4 pounds something, but oh my gosh, she has some weight to her. You would think 4 pounds would not really matter. So I stuck the amount of weight is mainly here. Uh, and then I went around the bag with, for one, it's the fine glass beads. And then I went around that with that Angel Soft that's so beautifully, oh my gosh. And then I put these pellets, these gel pellets in her hands. And then I put the Angel Soft and the fiber fill through here. And the same thing with her legs, because I wanted her legs to have a little bit of weight to them. But yeah, I just love her to death. She turned out amazing. I mean, she just, curls up so nicely. I mean, she just is such a good cuddle baby. I love her so much. But she's got her own little beautiful bassinet out there. I just bought a bassinet and it's all gorgeous for her. So if you are interested, she is not listed yet. So I know she's going to go as soon as I list her. Without her regular limbs, if you want her like she is now, she is 300. Hang on, did I get that right? Yeah, wait a minute. That's not right. She is, I got, you know what? If you're interested, PM me because I do already have her price listed because, I do it by the cost. I just don't come up with a price and wing it. But right now I'm tired. I've been working all day in here since about 5 o'clock this morning and I can't think right now. But yeah, she is definitely for sale. Not definitely. I shouldn't even say that. I'm going to miss her so much. She's for sale. And then I do have another one that I'm going to sell. This is pre-owned. Okay. I bought this baby brand new. She was my first baby that I bought. And she is cute as a button. She's Carmen. And I don't have all the logistics on her right now, but she is for sale. And if you're interested, private message me or tell me in the, on the video in the section, you can comment how I can contact you by email. But yeah, isn't she adorable? And she has painted hair. The artist is Wagon Wheels um, Nursery, and that is and she's got a floppy head, like you would expect. And she is probably stuffed the best out of all the babies I have held so far because I think she has the angel soft through her and a little bit of the the premium fiber fill down here. And she is painted beautifully. And Carmen can stick her finger in her mouth and hold it there, and she's got these piercing, beautiful blue eyes that you cannot see. She looks like little demon eyes here, but I mean, they are stunning, like sky blue. They're beautiful. So, yeah, these both are going to be going up in my nursery. But if you're interested, let me know. This is how she cuddles up. She cuddles up so nicely, like a little baby, too. But yeah, I'm going to I'm going to see how much time is left on. Oh, I'm 17 minutes in. I am going to, I'm going to end this video and I'm going to just post it without editing it just because I have so many videos to edit. And I'm going to go ahead and post it and I'll get into this box next. I don't even know what's in here. All right. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, everybody. Again, if you're interested in Carmen or Johanna, please let me know. All right. Bye bye.